Hello everyone. Now today we are going to do addition and I'm going to tell you how you can teach your children addition in few different ways. So addition, what is addition actually? Addition is in total and it's always when two numbers are added and it gives you more answer. Okay, the answer is more. So the symbol of addition is this one. Now, how to do it? There are two added and then there is an equal to sign. Now see the equal to. Yes, the two sleeping lines are the equal to sign, okay? And when you add these two, you get a certain number and that's the total of these two numbers. So add in, so the sum will always be more. Like 2 apples and 3 apples, when you add them both, you get 5 apples. Now why do we add to find the total? To add more, to combine numbers and to solve problems. So addition is going to be like, it's very important in math and it will help you in different ways. So let's see few methods of how to do addition. First of all, counting method. There are 3 balls. You'll put your pointer finger and then you're going to count 1, 2 and 3 and you're going to write down the numbers below. And then again plus sign is there. Now again 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So you're going to do direct counting method. When there are single digits, it's easy. That's a 6. Right? So 3 plus 3, 6. Now number line method. Now suppose I give you, again for the single digits, it's very easy. Now suppose I give you a sum which has 2 numbers again. The first addend is 3 plus the second addend is 4. Now how are we going to do? First number 3. So we are going to put our pointer finger or our pencil on number 3 and then we are going to jump. Okay, so put your pointer finger on or put your sketch pen on which number? 3 number. Now how many times are we going to jump from here? 3 is already done, the remaining is 4. So we are going to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Where did we reach? We reached on number 7. So this is a number line method which is going to help children a lot when they are doing single digits. So the answer is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, so this is one of the other methods. Now the next method is very important and is going to help you for doing little harder sums. Now let's see how does it help us. Now for example, I'm going to take this time a 2-digit number. Suppose the number 2-digit number is that I have selected is 13 and we are going to put a plus sign in the center and now the other number is ones. We can keep on ones or you can increase also. Now this is a tens and ones method. Now how to do it? Your child is going to put the pencil and he's going to write a small O ones, right? It depicts ones. So O on top of 5 and then on 13 also we are going to write tens and ones how it should be. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add ones with the ones. Now again 5 and 3, they should be added to each other. And what are we going to write? Since it's on the right side, we are going to write on the right side itself 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see the tens place. Again, beside 5 there is nothing. Before 5 since there is nothing means 0. So now 0 plus 1 again it's going to be 1, right? So the answer is 18. Now let's see the other method again. Okay, now 5 here and then and 22 the other side. So what we are going to do is, since there are 5 numbers only, we are going to draw 5 lines. Okay, and now after 22 we are going to count and then cut these lines one after the other. So after 22 you are going to cut like 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So the answer is 27. Now this is a very good method and it's child finds really interesting.